Today we will study lesson number 1, measurement of length, mass and capacity. Measurement of length. In previous class you have learned that the units centimeter, meter and kilometer are used to measure the length of objects. The basic unit of length is meter. Now let us learn about some other units of length. Units of length. Here we have already learned that the basic unit of length is meter. Now we will learn other units of length that are related to the basic unit meter. We use prefixes like kilo, hecto, deca, milli, centi, etc. to relate the basic units. In this table you can clearly see the basic unit of length is meter, which is written in ones place. The value of ones place is 1. In tenths place, decimeter is written. In hundredths place, centimeter is written. In thousandths place, millimeter is written. Here in tenths place, decameter is written. In hundredths place, hectometer is written. And in thousandths place, kilometer is written. Now, when we go to the right hand side, we get the lower units of measurement of length, that is decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. When we go to the right hand side, we get the higher units of measuring length, that are decameter, hectometer, kilometer. Here kilometer is in thousands place, that is 1000. Here this 1000 means that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. This 100 means 1 hectometer is equals to 100 meter, 1 decameter is equals to 10 meter, 1 meter is equals to 1 meter, 1 decimeter is equals to 1 upon 10 meter, 1 centimeter is equals to 1 upon 100 meter, and 1 millimeter is equals to 1 upon 1000 meter. Now how we will remember this? So let us study an easy way to remember. Here you can see King Henry died while drinking chocolate milk. So this is a poem which you need to learn. To remember this, here K stands for kilo, H stands for hecto, D stands for deca, while, the W of while, when we write upside down we get M, which stands for here meter. Here the drinking, D stands for deci, the C of chocolate stands for centi, and the M of milk stands for milli. So this is an easy way to remember this measurement of length. Now conversion of units of length. To convert from a smaller unit to a bigger unit, divide. To convert from a bigger unit to a smaller unit, multiply. Now let us learn this with the help of this table. So here clearly you can see this. Here what we have learned: to convert from a smaller unit to a bigger unit, divide. That is, when we convert from a smaller unit to bigger unit, we divide. Here let us take it from millimeter. So we will start from here. Here millimeter is the smallest unit and the kilometer is the largest unit, biggest unit. So when we have to convert from smaller unit to bigger unit, what we do? We divide. That is, to convert millimeter to centimeter, what we do? We divide by 10. Similarly, to convert from centimeter to decimeter, what we do? We divide by 10. To convert decimeter to meter, we divide by 10. To convert meter to decameter, what we do? We divide by 10. To convert decameter to hectometer, we divide by 10. And to convert hectometer to kilometer, we divide by 10. Now point number 2 was to convert from bigger unit to smaller unit, we multiply. Here the biggest unit is kilometer. Now when we have to convert the kilometer to hectometer, that is, when we convert the bigger unit to smaller unit, we multiply. So to convert kilometer to hectometer, we multiply by 10. Then to convert hectometer to decameter, we multiply by 10. To convert decameter to meter, we multiply by 10. To convert meter to decimeter, we multiply by 10. To convert decimeter to centimeter, we multiply by 10. To convert centimeter to millimeter, we multiply by 10. Now, if we have to convert kilometer to decameter, what we do? To convert kilometer to decameter, here one 10 is written, here another 10 is written. So, we multiply 10 into 10. That is, to convert kilometer to decameter, we multiply kilometer value by 100 to get decameter, because 10 into 10 equals 100. Similarly, to convert kilometer to meter, we multiply by 10 3 times. That is 10 into 10 into 10. So 1 kilometer equals to 10 into 10 into 10 equal 1000 meter. Here relationship between units of length is given. Let us study. 1 kilometer km is equals to 10 hectometers hm. So here hm is the short form of hectometers. Km is the short form of kilometer. 1 hectometer is equals to 10 decameters. That is DAM. 1 decameter is equals to 10 meters. Short form of meter is m. 1 meter equals to 10 decimeter. That is dm. dm is the short form of decimeter. 1 decimeter is equals to 10 centimeters. Here cm is the short form of centimeters. 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeters. Here mm is the short form of 10 millimeters. Now you have to learn all the relationship between units of length from this table. Now let us solve some question to understand better. Let us practice 1.1. Question number 1, convert A 9 millimeter into centimeter. Solution. We know that 1 millimeter is equals to 1 upon 10 centimeter. You have to learn all the relationship between millimeter, centimeter, centimeter, meter and so on. You have to learn all of them to be able to solve these questions. So that you can learn from the table. Now let us solve some question. 1 millimeter is equals to 1 upon 10 centimeter. So 9 millimeter will be equal to 9 into 1 upon 10 centimeter. So we can write this as 9 upon 10 centimeter. 9 upon 10 equals 0.9 centimeter. So our answer is 0.9 centimeter. Let us solve one more question. B 180 centimeter into meter. Solution. We have to convert here the centimeter into meter. Centimeter is the smaller unit of length and meter is the bigger unit of length. We know that from to convert smaller unit of length to bigger unit of length, what we do, we divide. So from the table you can see this relationship. 1 centimeter equal to 1 upon 100 meter. So what we will do to convert centimeter to meter, we divide by 100. So 180 centimeter is equal to 180 into 1 upon 100. Now this will convert into meter. 180 into 1 upon 100, we can write it as 180 upon 100 meter. Now 180 upon 100 is equals to 1.80 meter. Now let us solve one more question. Question number 2, convert A 762 meter into kilometer. Now here we have to convert meter into kilometer. Again here meter is the smaller unit of length and kilometer is the bigger unit of length. To convert from smaller unit of length to bigger unit of length, what we do? We divide. So we will divide by 1000 because 1 meter is equals to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Solution. We know that 1 meter is equals to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. So 762 meter will be equal to 762 upon 1000 kilometer. Now you can write it as 180 into 100 or you can directly write this upon 1000. So 762 meter equals to 762 upon 1000 kilometer is equals to 0.762 kilometer. When we divide 762 from 1000, we get 0.762 kilometer. Question number 3. Convert A 7 centimeter 8 millimeter into centimeter. Now here the numbers are given, the units of length are given in mixed form. Now we have to convert them into centimeter. Solution. 7 centimeter 8 millimeter. Clearly we can see here the centimeter is written and we have to convert into centimeter. This is already in centimeter, so we will not change it. We are going to change this. So 7 centimeter plus. Now here millimeter is given. Millimeter is the smaller unit of length and centimeter is the bigger unit of length. So to convert smaller unit of length into bigger unit of length, what we do? We divide. We know that 1 millimeter is equals to 1 upon 10 centimeter. So we write 8 into 1 upon 10. So this millimeter becomes centimeter. Now 7 centimeter we write as it is plus 8 into 1 upon 10 centimeter. We can write it as 8 upon 10 centimeter. 7 centimeter plus. Now 8 upon 10 centimeter is equals to 0.8 centimeter. 7 centimeter plus 0.8 centimeter equal 7.8 centimeter. So this is our answer. Now let us solve one more question. Question number 4. Convert A 4 meter 44 centimeter into meter. Now here we have to convert meter and centimeter into meter. Solution. 4 meter 44 centimeter. So here this is already given in meters, so we are not going to convert this. We are going to convert the centimeter into meter. So 4 meter 44 centimeter equals to 4 meter plus 44. Now we know that 1 centimeter is equals to 1 upon 100 meter. So in place of centimeter we can write 1 upon 100 meter. Now 4 meter we write as it is. 44 upon 100 is equals to 0.44 meter. 4 meter plus 0.44 meter is equals to, here both the units are in meter, so we can add them. So it is equal to 4.44 meter. So our answer is 4.44 meter. Now let us solve some more question. Question number 5. Convert. Here we have to convert 6 kilometer 115 meter into kilometer. Solution. 6 kilometer 115 meter. So clearly we can see here 6 is in kilometer. We have to convert into kilometer. So we will not change this. We are going to change this meter into kilometer. Again here meter is the smaller unit of length and kilometer is the bigger unit of length. So to convert a smaller unit of length to bigger unit of length, what we do? We divide. We know that 1 meter is equals to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. So we can write it as 6 kilometer plus 115 into, in place of meter we will write 1 upon 1000 kilometer. So we get 6 kilometer plus, now 115 upon 1000 is equals to 0.115 kilometer. Here 6 kilometer and 0.115 kilometer both are in kilometer. So we will add them. 6 plus 0.115 kilometer equals 6.115 kilometer. So our answer is 6.115 kilometer. Question. Let us solve one more question. Convert 6 DAM 6 centimeter into meter. Now here we have to convert the DAM, that is decameter, and CM, that is centimeter, into meter. Solution. 6 DAM and 6 centimeter. We have to convert into meter. We know that 1 DAM is equals to 10 meter. Because here we have to convert bigger unit of length into smaller unit of length. So what we do to convert bigger unit of length to smaller unit of length, we multiply. So here DAM is given, 1 DAM is equals to 10 meters. So we multiply it by 10 to convert into meter. So 6 into 10 meter. So this get converted into meter. Now we will convert 6 centimeter into meter. Now again here centimeter is written. Centimeter is a smaller unit of length and meter is a bigger unit of length. To convert a smaller unit of length into bigger unit of length, what we do? We divide. So to convert centimeter into meter, what we do? We divide by 100. So we can write 6 into 1 upon 100 meter. So in place of centimeter, we write 1 upon 100 meter because 1 centimeter is equals to 1 upon 100 meter. 6 into 10 equals 60. So we get 60 meter plus 6 upon 100 meter is equals to 0.06 meter. Now here both the unit of length are in meter. Now we will add them. 60 meter plus 0.06 meter is equals to 60.06 meter. So our answer is 60.06 meter. Now similarly, you have to solve these questions and also learn the table and the relationship between all the units of length.